brave, brave. Not afraid to do something difficult or dangerous.
The brave firefighter saved the cat from the tree. She was brave to speak in front of the class.
Clever, clever. Smart, able to think quickly and solve problems.
She is a clever student who solves puzzles easily. The clever cat figured out how to open the door.
Friendly, friendly. Nice and pleasant to others, kind.
He is a friendly person who smiles at everyone. My dog is very friendly and loves to play.
Generous, generous. Willing to give or share with others.
He is a generous person who donates to charity. Being generous makes others happy.
Kind, kind. Nice and caring towards others.
She is a kind girl who helps everyone. His kind words made me feel better.
Lazy, lazy. Not wanting to work or do anything, inactive.
He is lazy and prefers to watch TV all day. Don't be lazy, help clean the house.
Lucky, lucky. Having good things happen by chance.
She is lucky to have a great family. We are lucky to go on vacation this summer.
Neat, neat. Tidy and organized, clean.
Her room is always neat and clean. He has a neat handwriting.
Nervous, nervous. Feeling worried or afraid about something.
She felt nervous before the test. He was nervous speaking in front of the crowd.
Nice, nice. Pleasant and kind to others.
She is a nice person who helps everyone. It's nice to meet new friends.
Polite, polite. Showing good manners, respectful.
She is always polite and says please and thank you. He gave a polite smile when introduced.
Popular, popular. Well liked by many people.
She is a popular girl at school. His popular band played at the concert.
Rude, rude. Not polite, disrespectful.
It is rude to interrupt when someone is talking. Being rude can hurt others' feelings.
Selfish, selfish. Thinking only of oneself, not sharing with others.
He is selfish and never shares his toys. Being selfish can make you lose friends.
Serious. Serious. Not joking, showing deep thought or concern.
He has a serious look on his face. She spoke in a serious tone during the meeting.
Shy. Shy. Quiet and not comfortable in social situations.
She is shy and doesn't like to speak in class. He feels shy around new people.
Silly. Silly. Funny or not serious, playful.
He made a silly joke that made everyone laugh. She wore a silly hat to the party.
Smart. Smart. Intelligent, quick to learn or understand.
He made a smart decision to study hard. She is a smart student who gets good grades.
Stupid. Stupid. Lacking intelligence or common sense.
He felt stupid for forgetting his homework. It's not stupid to ask questions.
Tidy. Tidy. Clean and organized, neat.
She keeps her room tidy all the time. He likes a tidy workspace.
Unlucky. Unlucky. Not having good luck, experiencing misfortune.
She felt unlucky when she lost her wallet. Sometimes, we all feel unlucky.
Untidy. Untidy. Not clean or organized, messy.
His room is very untidy and needs cleaning. Don't be untidy, put your things away.
Wise. Wise. Having good judgment and experience, smart in a deep way.
The wise old man gave great advice. She made a wise choice to study hard.
Nasty. Nasty. Unpleasant or mean, very bad.
That was a nasty comment to make. He has a nasty habit of interrupting others.